Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor isn't responding on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. To fix this issue, let's go to settings and let's first remove all the recent fingerprints in security menu. So go to fingerprint from here, enter your password, and then if you have previously enrolled fingerprints, tap the trash bin icon next to them and tap yes remove. Then before adding a new fingerprint, grab a piece of microfiber cloth or just a dry towel and carefully wipe the surface of your fingerprint scanner with it to make sure that there are no stains and the fingerprint scanner reads your fingerprint correctly. Then select fingerprint, enter your password and tap setup. Then find the sensor with the finger and keep pressing it using slightly different parts of your fingertip for the best experience. And once your fingerprint is added, instead of just tapping down, let's add another one for the better accuracy. Keep pressing your fingerprint scanner, move your finger, okay, and then tap down. Now we have basically two same fingerprints set up on our device. And now before we proceed, let's go back to settings. Let's check system. Here in system settings, select advanced and go to system updates and check if your smartphone has any updates to install. And if you do have an update, then of course download and install it, as it might include some security fixes for your device. And to make sure that all the changes were applied, press and hold the power button for a while and select restart to reboot your device. Then wait until your device is restarted, and then we're gonna check the fingerprint sensor once again. Okay, and right now unlock your smartphone, enter your password once, and then let's lock the smartphone and let's try to unlock it using the fingerprint. Okay, so the first attempt was successful. Now let's try it a couple more times. Okay. And I hope that for you everything works just as smoothly as it does for me right now, and the problem is fixed. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.